Alright, we're looking to change my second bearing and hub on my Chrysler 2012. Finally did one side. I figured out any little mistake we had done with it was successful. It's worked out good. Alright, so we have the axle bolt there. Loosen it up already. I'm gonna try to take off the rotor in a second. Just took off the caliper. I just used my C-clamp to hold it up right on the suspension there. I will need a C-clamp to push the caliper back in so the brakes can fit. I will be taking off the brakes in a minute. Alright, let's go. Pause the tape. So I took out these two bolts out of the caliper, which is inside here. That's what hold the caliper together. And I'm taking off these two 17-inch back here. As you can see, got one on the top and one on the bottom. Once we do that, we're able to take this off. Well, I just took off the rotor from off here. You have to bang it in the middle. Don't hit the studs. Well, we're getting new studs anyway. Bang in the middle, comes off very easy. And make sure not to unscrew these 4 bolts until you take off the rotor. It holds the hub assembly to the car, so you could easily knock that rotor off. Alright, now we turn the steering towards the driver's side so we can reach these studs back here. And we're gonna do the same for the other 4. Then we'll just unscrew the middle nut and pull that sucker off. By the way, you want to take that nut off first, so you can knock the axle back in to free up the space back here. So you can't fit the wrench over this nut. So basically, you want to pull this off all the way out. What's not? All right, so you're gonna pull that off. Once it's out, we'll come back. All right, so we're gonna take this nut off. It's the main big one, so once we know that's off, we can now move the axle around. So you just want to tap on the outside of the axle. Free it up. Alright, let's see now. Alright. Perfect. See that? So I'm going to screw those off. And then we get all 4 off. And then we got to get off the dust plates. There's 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. Get those off. Then this is for the sensor. Comes with a brand new one. So you're going to... There's a clip back here. Disconnect it from the clip. Remove this bolt, remove this one over here, and it should be good. So I just pull out the nut off this bracket. You want to keep this bracket. Alrighty, so we took off this bracket. We're gonna pull off this one right here also. So all 4 nuts are out in the back there, so I'm ready to take this hub off. Just try to disconnect this first. Okay, now I'm going underneath now. That is the switch. I mean, switch. This is a clip. You're gonna disconnect that. Pull it out so you can take that off. Now I've disconnected it. Now it's time for the main event. We gotta get this sucker off. So we're gonna bang it around, knock in the axle, hopefully it comes right off. See how easily? See that's coming off?